Good morning, students. Today we discuss the new chapter, new lesson, chapter 4, synthetic fibers and plastic. Synthetic fiber and plastic. Synthetic fibers and plastics. Fibers are two types: natural fiber and synthetic or artificial or man-made fibers. Fibers are two types. Natural fiber. Natural fibers obtained from trees and animals. Trees and animals. Example from trees, natural fiber. Example cotton sarees. Cotton sarees. From animals, we obtain the fibers from animals. Silk cloths. Silk cloths. So trees and animals. The main source of natural fibers are trees and animals. The source of synthetic fibers, man-made fibers, artificial fibers are petrochemicals. Petrochemicals. The synthetic fibers are obtained from crude raw materials, from petroleum. The crude raw materials obtained from petroleum. The synthetic fibers obtained from this crude raw materials. Synthetic fibers, man-made fiber or artificial fibers. Cloths, every cloth made up of only fibers. Cotton cloths obtained that contain the fiber of cotton cloth obtained from some trees. Silk cloths obtained from some animals. Okay. Children, all of you take a textbook, page number 45. Take a physics textbook, page number 45. That heading, cloths made of natural fibers. Cloths made of natural fiber. Natural fiber or natural fiber. Example of natural fibers, trees and animals. Okay, so we wear wide variety of fabrics in our daily life. We wear a wide variety of so many varieties of fibers in our day-to-day life. So all cloths made up of a natural fiber? No, all fibers are not made up of natural fiber. Some cloths, some fibers are made up of only natural fibers. Remaining so many fibers are made up of synthetic fibers, man-made fibers or artificial fibers obtained from petroleum, petrochemicals. That fibers obtained from petrochemicals. Okay, students, we might have heard about the fabrics such as polyester. Poly means number of so many. Ester, this is a chemical. This is a hydrocarbon chemical. Polyester cloth. Poly means number of. Ester is a hydrocarbon. Combination of number of esters to form polyester. Polyester cloth. Polythene cover. Poly means number of. Ethene, C2H4. Combination of number of C2H4. It is called polythene cover. Polyester, daily use polyester, nylon, and acrylic, nylon, and acrylic, etc. These are synthetic fibers. These are made up of only synthetic fibers. Okay, here synthetic fibers are not obtained from plants and animal source. Synthetic fibers are not obtained from plants and animals, trees and animals. Synthetic fibers obtained from petrochemicals, raw materials of petrochemicals. Here they are made by the raw materials obtained from. They are made by means the synthetic fibers are made from raw materials of petrochemicals. So they are made from raw materials obtained from petrochemicals. Synthetic fibers are not only used for fabrics. Synthetic fibers not only used for fabrics, not only used for cloths. It is also used in our domestic purpose vessels, in domestic plastic vessels, domestic purpose fabrics, but also used in the preparing many household articles. Household articles. Okay, students. Here some example table. See the table number 1. Page number 45, table number 1. Source and articles. Natural fiber from plants. Article, cotton sarees. Natural fiber from animals. Silk cloth. Synthetic fiber. So many plastic items. Polythene covers. So many items. Made up of so many items made up with petrochemicals. After petrochemicals, that it is called synthetic fiber or man-made fiber or artificial fibers. Well, what do you observe from the list? So okay, students, next para. What do you know about the synthetic fiber? The synthetic fiber obtained from raw materials of petrochemicals. Natural fibers obtained from plants and animals, trees and animals. From trees, example cotton saree. From animals, example silk cloth. Synthetic fiber, example synthetic fibers: polyester, polythene cover, nylon, terling, acrylic, etc. And some household articles used in the household articles. What is synthetic fiber? What is meant by synthetic fiber? Here, page number 46. Here, second paragraph, synthetic fiber. Right side, second paragraph, synthetic fiber. Synthetic fibers are made up of chain-like structure. Polythene means single bond C2H4, 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 single bond. This is the long chain of carbon compounds. This long chain of carbon compounds is called polymer. Polymer. The long chain of carbon compounds is called polymer. This is the polymer. Single unit of this polymer is called monomer. So combination of long chain of monomers, it is called polymer. This process is known as polymerization. This is called synthetic fibers. Listen carefully, page number 46, second para. Synthetic fibers are made up of chain-like structure, like this chain-like structure. The chain is called polymer, like this structure, which are themselves formed by joining small units. Joining themselves, joining small units. This small unit, one unit is called monomer. The long chain of these monomers are called polymer. Here, formed by joining small units together. Each small unit in the chain, it is called monomer. Each small unit in the chain it is known as monomer. Okay, students. Many small identical CH4. Many small identical monomers join together to form a long chain. Okay, it is called polymer. Polymer. Many small identical units, monomers combine to form a large unit. It is called monomer. It is called polymer. Synthetic fibers are made up of polymers and obtained from petrochemicals. Okay, students. Sir, unlike natural fibers obtained from plants and animals. Unlike natural fibers, synthetic fibers are made from petroleum-based chemicals. Okay, from polymers. Polymers made up of joining of many monomers. The joining of many monomers, it is called polymer. This process is known as polymerization. Unlike natural fiber, synthetic fibers are made from petroleum-based chemicals or petrochemicals. Synthetic fibers obtained from petroleum-based chemicals or petrochemicals. These are hydrocarbons are all hydrocarbons are petrochemicals. Hydrocarbons means that substance contain only carbon and hydrogen. That is hydrocarbon. Petrochemicals are subjected to various chemical processes. Petrochemicals are subjected to various chemical processes and to make so many items from the petrochemicals. Say for example perfume obtained from petrochemical. Incense stick, agarbatti obtained from petrochemical. Road tar obtained from petrochemical. Tires of all vehicles obtained from petrochemicals. So many items obtained from petrochemicals. Okay, various chemical processes to obtain synthetic fibers. Due to this, they are called synthetic fibers or artificial fibers. Petrochemicals are called synthetic fibers or artificial chemicals, and polymer also called synthetic fibers or artificial chemicals. Okay, students. Okay, we will discuss in the next class some fibers, examples of some fibers, nylon, terylene, acrylic, polyester, and etc. We discuss in the next class. Okay, students.